everyone. Happy summer. It's Tammy. Welcome to the channel. A few weeks ago, we decided to go to Tuscany for a few days. Yes, love Tuscany. Who doesn't? Why wouldn't you love Tuscany? And we found out that there is an amazing brand new shop, brand new vintage shop that just opened last month. So of course we had to go. And this is not just any vintage shop. This is, I think, unique in that they have everything from thrifted items to really high-end antiques. They also have a great selection of books, first editions, etc. for book lovers. And they also have some pieces that have been upcycled by artists. You know, if a vintage piece isn't up to scratch in some areas, they reimagine it and upcycle it. And they throw everything all together in this one shop. Let me know down in the comments what you all think of this idea for a shop, because I've never seen it before. I think it's great. They have everything from €1 to 10,000. The owners of this shop are all really nice, and as you'll hear later in the video, Enrico speaks really good English and can explain to you all the stories and backgrounds of different pieces like he did with us. So don't be afraid to go if you don't speak Italian. You'll be fine. And let's go shopping, and then we'll show you what we bought. The shop is called Mercantantica. I know it's hard to say, but you can find them on Instagram, and their details are all in the description box below. Okay.
No, sono contento io di parlarti, perché devi sapere che la tua stessa piccola paura, tu sei l'ultima con cui parliamo di paure, anche se stanno arrivando messaggi di tutti i tipi e sono meravigliosi, veramente belli.
No, delle salite in macchina, sia quando guido sia da pensare.
Allora, hai paura delle salite in macchina? Aspetta, perché si sente così. Hai paura delle salite in macchina quando guidi e...
Quando passeggero, sempre.
Ah, ok, quando sei passeggero e quando guidi, ho capito.
Esatto, perché io poi ho bisogno di che guido la macchina, sono su una salita tipo pendenza al 100% e la macchina si batte.
Really? All over the world.
And packed in Pakistan.
That is really cute. Can you open that?
Maybe.
Let's see. That's adorable. Adorable summer bag. Cute for 15.
Electrical machine before Berkel is Atoma.
Okay.
Early 50s.
Early
because
50s.
Berkel is manual.
Okay. Oh. I don't know anything about these.
The red one.
Okay. Yeah.
With and this is the first name Atoma of Berkel. They tried to create a slice in electrical slices.
Electrical slicer. Okay.
Or this color is quite, I don't know, but it's quite rare. So say internet is the new buy.
Good. Yeah, really. It is. In the 50s.
And
shoe polish. All the shoe polish from the 50s.
And we have
These are quite beautiful.
the world of collectibles is endless.
It really is. Oh, this is adorable.
I still remain surprised how many difference was in the ambient was in a hospital.
Yeah.
So
it's from a film set.
We collect all the thing.
Oh. And very interesting.
The thing at your feet.
Hmm? What thing at my feet? Carlsberg?
Carlsberg.
Carlsberg. Oh, pizza. What is it? I love the speculum. It's beautiful. Art.
Of course, but
That's beautiful.
The paint on the wall is orange.
Yes.
We have an artist that creates this
and remakes
and combine.
Wow. Fantastic.
And it works also with copper with oxidation. Very beautiful. Become a sparkling azure.
Yes, very nice. That's pretty though. 50. Yes, also. Wow. I can see the pizza. These are cute little chairs.
A livello di roba, nelle nostre case.
I like the bigger one on the stairs too. 50? That's adorable. This is furniture for a boat.
Really? How can you tell?
Nice hats. Porcelaino. Very nice.
Che non manca la roba, manca l'organizzazione. No, meraviglioso. Allora, questo infatti queste cose lui lavora con morbido al tatto.
Cioè io adoro queste cose, capito?
Even a windsurfer.
Abbiamo rubato ai francesi perché era da cosa barcachina fatto i first. No, i first si chiama impensabile.
What fishies?
Tails up. Did you see them?
No, I did
They're
not.
very cute. They're name card holders.
Nice.
From my.
Wow.
I was wondering if old cutlery like this would be like nice if you're looking to buy yourself cutlery.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I bet.
I like all the chairs they have. They have a good selection of chairs.
Yes.
Careful, that shelf scares me.
What's cute? A red one. Nice. I like the red one.
The glass.
Nice. These are nice too. What? Stained glass 40?
Yeah, she's nice.
She's nice. Very nice. She is lovely. That's lovely. She is 450. Oh, look at these. Interesting.
This lamp for
Lampada Toscana. Okay.
use
What do you do?
and there is a
You make.
cassette.
Oh, you to grate the cheese?
very
To
old.
grate the cheese.
Ah.
And you turn
Nice.
and it's very cool. Key box, but there is metal around.
Is there damage or no?
No,
I love
it's not
this.
damaged.
From the 50th.
I love it.
When the 60th,
Oh, this goes with the other one.
voted
I saw
alcohol
the-
is
Oh, it's a bar. Fantastic.
it's a little bit of dust.
This is I never saw something cute like that. Look,
Oh, with an anchor on it, of
there
course.
is an anchor, there is
And
a fish
dolphins?
dolphins,
And what's inside?
and look.
Oh, these. And these.
Segna posto.
Segna posto.
For
Sì.
a tavola.
Sì.
And you
See.
put the card
Yes.
in
That
here.
is amazing.
Very cute.
It was in
Which
a house
material is silver?
an admiral of a cruise ship.
I bet it's peltro.
Silver or
It looks like peltro, no?
No.
no?
No?
Argento?
No. I think it's silver plated.
Silver plated. Okay. It's very pretty.
This is amazing. Come
It's
on.
very, but we don't need this. It's beautiful. Beautiful handle on this one.
Guarda che prendilo perché è un prezzo.
It's bad luck.
I know, but
Don't know.
look at the little tassels.
It's got cute tassels. I know. Cute tassels.
Stock.
Yeah. An Admiral's stock.
Rate of these things was
No. Maxi Zippo. There you go, Maxi. Oh, I love this dresser. It's beautiful. All the little...
And also has a lot of secrets.
I love those.
Compartments.
Those are amazing.
That's-
Little compartments are wonderful.
completely
Let's see.
in well shape.
Fantastica. Hello. Beautiful. Oh. Oh, these handles are great. Nice.
When we turn it's empty,
Yeah.
it's the same effort when it's full of stuff.
Beautiful. Exclusive. Tony Cardella, 1914. I'm getting very pretty.
23 years old.
Yeah.
Then he moves from Venice in Corsica.
Oh, that's pretty. Tony Cardella. Very pretty.
All of these are on catalog. Eh?
Wow. Very pretty. Beautiful shading.
The village where it's born.
Wow. Beautiful watercolors. One more.
Oh.
Beautiful. Oh. Richard Ginori, in addition to making porcelain dishware, they also made porcelain separators for electricity wires. I know. Now they're just cool sculptures to look at. Capodimonte, in great shape, is just one of the random, intriguing vintage collectibles that are all over the shop, as is a vintage razor sharpener and this gorgeous Murano glass lamp formed from just one piece of glass. Oh, this art trolley is amazing. And we randomly go from art trolley to beer stein set. Still awesome. And they have nice tiles. Hi, hand-painted tiles. How are you? That tray was really intriguing, but we have enough trays now. And also the little silver one, I really like that. That was nice. We bought only one thing at the shop, even though Francesco tried to go back and buy the box with the little dolphin place card holders in it that we absolutely did not need. So he tried really hard to buy that. We bought one thing, and it was this little lady that you saw in the video. She was €5. Francesco bought her, and he has named her Gilda. She now lives on the nightstand in the bedroom. She looks like she was made to hold something. I don't know what. And she's been cleaned, and she is a very happy addition to our house. Our thrifting and antiquing playlist right here, it's right there, has lots more thrifting and antiquing adventure videos check that out. And thank you so much for shopping with us today.